Here's how to turn your letter into a beautiful star origami ornament. With the pattern side facing you, fold the paper in half and unfold. Then, fold the paper in half again on the other side, then unfold. Fold all sides into the center and unfold. Then, fold diagonally from one corner to another and unfold. Do the same on the other side. Fold all four corners to the center, making a diamond, then unfold. Take one corner and fold to the opposite facing corner and fold along the crease lines. Repeat this step on all four corners and unfold. Next, fold each corner in. Identify the midpoint of the paper and identify the midpoint on the left side. Bring down the left midpoint down to the bottom. Do the same on the right side. The two corners should meet at the center. Then, fold the top part down. It should look similar to a triangle shape. Next, you take the top corner flap on the right and fold it over. And fold the corner over onto the right side, making a small triangle. There should be a flap hanging loose. Tuck this into the triangle pocket. Do the same for all four corners. find the center at the top of your star sculpture. Make a small hole about a 1/4 inch down. Pull a thread through the hole. Hold the two ends of the thread together and then thread a bead through. Tie a knot at the end of the thread. Now, blow air into the opening to inflate the star sculpture. Simply tap along the creases to give it a definitive star shape. And, there you go! Hang your star origami ornament on your tree, from your mantle, or anywhere you'd like to add some personal festive touches.